In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Discord. Whether you're brand new or just need a refresher, we'll walk through everything you need to get started and feel confident using it. First, create your Discord account. Head to discord.com in your browser or download the desktop or mobile app. Click sign up, then enter your email, choose a username, and set a strong password. Make sure to verify your email. That confirmation unlocks key features and keeps your account secure. Next, you'll want to join or create a server. On the left sidebar, click the plus icon. To join an existing server, select Join a Server, paste a valid invite link, and click Join. If you'd rather build your own space, click the plus icon again and choose Create My Own. Pick whether it's for friends or a community, give your server a name, and upload an icon if you have one. Don't worry, you can change these later in settings. Let's get oriented. The left sidebar shows your servers as circles and your direct messages. The middle panel is where chats happen, including text, images, links, and media. At the bottom left, you'll find your profile controls, microphone, headphones, and settings. Hover over icons to see what they do, and use settings to fine-tune audio and notifications. Servers have text channels for typing and sharing images or links, and voice channels for talking, streaming, or listening together. To speak in a voice channel, click the channel name, unmute your mic, and adjust your volume as needed. If others are too quiet or loud, you can right-click their name to adjust individual volumes. Sending messages is straightforward. Type your text, attach images or videos, and add GIFs or emojis to keep things lively. You can also upload files. Just note that larger attachments may require a Nitro subscription. Drag and drop works great on desktop. Slash commands make powerful features easy. Type // to see available commands from Discord and any bots in the server. You might use commands to set a status, get help, or play music such as help, ice play, or poll. The specific commands depend on the server's bots. To add friends, click friends, then add friend. Enter their username in the older tag format or the newer format, depending on what they share with you. You can voice or video call directly in DMs. Customize your profile in user settings under profiles. Update your avatar, banner, about me, and status to show availability or what you're doing. Roles and permissions determine what you can do on a server, from viewing channels to managing content. Admins assign these, and certain roles unlock special channels or tools. Finally, stay safe. Enable two-factor authentication, avoid unknown links, block or report suspicious users, and adjust your privacy and safety settings. Pin important messages, use threads to keep chats organized, search to find old conversations, and enable streamer mode if you broadcast. That's the foundation. Now you're ready to explore Discord with confidence.